Welcome to our newest listing at 505 Lake Forest Boulevard. Hey, I'm Tim Wynock. Chad Dyche and I make up living on Alabama's Gulf Coast. We're your Alabama Gulf Coastal Connection realtors that utilize a double coverage model, which allows us to always look out for your best interest. This home sits in the outskirts of Lake Forest subdivision, less than 1 mile to I-10, close to plenty of shopping and restaurants and schools as well. Hey, one of the best parts is there's no HOA either. This 1,800 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch style home is loaded with Southern charm, including this covered front porch. But hey, you're not going to want to miss the backyard. It's absolutely breathtaking. But first, Chad's going to show us off a little bit of the inside. Come on in.
First up, we wanted to show off this huge living area where you have cherry hardwood floors, custom built-in bookshelves, upgraded Pella windows overlooking the amazing backyard, which we'll get to later. This formal grade area definitely has a classy, unique touch. The bedroom wing is separated from the rest of the house and hosts 3 spacious bedrooms, all with plantation shutters. And then there's 2 upgraded bathrooms. You have the guest bathroom and then the one in the master suite. Next up, we're here in the kitchen where you have granite stone countertops, a tall square island with storage underneath, a nice sized pantry. You have a double oven, an electric stove range, and this all overlooks some extra living space with views of the front porch and the backyard. We couldn't leave without showing you our favorite part of the property, the backyard. It has a multi-level custom-built patio with stone pavers and a retaining wall. It's fully fenced in and it's nicely landscaped and inviting for all your guests. It's absolutely perfect for early morning coffee or evening drinks.
Hope y'all enjoyed 505 Lake Forest Boulevard as much as we do. This home is priced in the low 300s. It has such a tranquil setting, so many unique features that can make this home absolutely perfect for you. If you have any questions about this property, any other property, give Chad and I a call and we'll make it happen. Hey, as always, thanks for watching and help us keep selling the 251.